Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install the Thundr video chat app on your iPhone. First, I will open the App Store and show you that there isn't an official Thundr app available there. But don't worry, you can still install it as a web app. Open Safari, search for Thundr and go to the official website. Once the website loads, tap the dot menu and then tap Share. After that, select View More and choose Add to Home Screen. You can rename it if you want or just tap Add. Now you will see that the Thundr Web app has been added to your home screen. Just open it and start using it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.